Keto dieters, this is little tip video how to deal with butter that's sold in giant blocks. Check this out. How do you deal with it? It will dry and get yellow if you don't secure it properly, and you have no patience to wrap it every time. The same thing about this one. It's better, but it's not perfect. So what I do lately, I just cut it all and I mark it, and that way I have perfect fresh butter, okay, every time. The same problem you have with cream cheese. It's not Philadelphia, but it is cream cheese, okay? It comes in packages that you're supposed to seal in foil after every time you use it. I tell you, if you don't live alone or you're not suffering from what is it? I think it calls compulsive impulsive disorder. You will never wrap perfectly it back, and it dries. So let's fix it. I have a new Tupperware, and I'll take I think I'll take this picture and I stick it on a lid with Scotch tape. And if you have something like this, you can cut the plastic and it will never, you will be able to wash it. This is just cardboard. There you go. Let's do the little chore that will pay off eventually. Every time you use cream cheese, you will be glad you did it. Alright. It requires more skills than sushi chef skills. Till the rest of the video, I'm just gonna cut cheese. If you find it meditating or mesmerizing, keep watching. But there will be nothing spectacular in this video. And I always have a lot of recipes for keto diet with little bit of cream cheese. So it's amazing to have cream cheese ready, mess free and quick, accessible for your use. Can I fit one more? What do you think? running out of space. I ran out of space. This one goes back to the foil. Hook him up with package like that. It's not perfect. There you go. Cream cheese ready to serve.